Mekafur presenting Windcatcher, the stainless steel window stopper, a durable and elegant solution to hold your window in any desired position. Available in both SS and antique finish. To begin, take the main bracket of the Windcatcher and position it on the window pane, as shown in the video. Mark the holes, drill if needed, and then fix it firmly with the screws. Now, pull out the telescopic slider fully to its maximum length. Tighten the knob to lock it in this fully open position. This step ensures the correct alignment before fixing the other end. Next, open the window as much as it can go. This will set the maximum openable limit for your window. Align the other end of the Windcatcher with the lower part of the window frame in this fully open position. Once aligned, fix it securely with screws. Your Mekafur Windcatcher is now ready. Simply loosen the knob to slide and adjust the window opening, and tighten the knob to hold it steady at any position. Thank you for watching.
Mekafur, inspired to be creative.